What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. I'm about to show you how to get this look. Right here in this clip, I'm showing you how I double weft my tracks. Sewing them on the sewing machine. You make sure you hold them close together. I mean, this is my first time doing this, but this is my second wig that I ever made with a sewing machine. But yes, y'all. I think I used stitch length 5.0 and use the zigzag stitch. Get the stitching aid. So I'm double wefting. I had 3 bundles to do for this wig. Look at that. And you know that's not coming loose. It's hard at first, but once you get the hang of it, you can do it. You better cut that thread, girl. And I'm showing you how it's supposed to look. I missed a little gap by my finger, but I went back and sewed that little part together. But yeah, that's how it's supposed to look. Don't lay the tracks on top of each other. Lay them close together side by side. And right here, I'm almost done with the wig. I wish I had some more footage, but I thought I was filming, and obviously not. But I got a net cap and a white Sharpie, or any kind of chalk Sharpie or anything. And I have a dome head that's the size 22 inches. And I put the weft cap on there, which I should have used spandex because I'm bald head. But yeah, so I put the weft cap on there and I drew the guidelines. You can watch another video on how to do guidelines on a wig cap. There's a million of them. So I did that, and that's how you know where to put your tracks. For track placement is the guidelines you draw on your cap before you start sewing. So that's what I did, and now I'm sewing it. And make sure you sew on the curve. If your line is on the curve, then you sew on the curve. That way you can make sure your wig fit right, like it dropped down right once you get done sewing. And also make sure you place the tracks at least 1 inch or 1.5 inches away from each other, so your cap can have stretch, because you don't want to put all those tracks close together and then your wig cap scrunch up and then it won't fit. So make sure you do that. So when you get to the end of the track, make sure you go back and forth like I am right here. That's how you lock in your stitch so your wefts won't come apart. So go back and forth, back and forth. Yes, this wig is gonna be nice. I'm actually making this wig for me. I did the big chop. I don't have any hair up under here, so I'm using the strap to hold it down. And ghost spun, of course. And the wig is complete. Look at her, y'all. So, the wig I made last night, I had to take it down, and this happened. Because I fitted it when I had hair on my head. And when I took my weave off, my head was a tad bit smaller than the wig. So I took unsewed it, took it all down. Womp, womp, womp. And now my wig has cornrows. Yes, so I went to the store and I purchased the cornrow braided cap. This cornrow braided cap. And I just honestly followed the rows of how like the braids come, and I just sewed the tracks onto the braids. It was perfect, honestly. It was perfect. Like I didn't have to recut anything because everything was already measured right. But yeah, I just sewed on the braids. I double sewed. I sewed across one time real close and then back across again. So make sure I sewed like 2 tracks at the bottom. Then I went ahead and sewed on my frontal, put my frontal on so it can fit. And then I put all the other tracks on, and now I'm at the top. And what I got probably like, oh, but the weft that I'm using, last night I used the sewing machine and I sewed 2 tracks together. Whoops. So I used the sewing machine so they're double weft. Yep, and these double weft. So next time I will be using the dome cap because it's stretching, you know, it can fit to your head. I will be using this kind next time. Yesterday I used the regular one, I don't know, the mesh cap, and it does not work right for me. So yep, this the wig again, and I'll show y'all the video when it get finished. Okay, and this is the inside of the cap, the wig. Of course, I gotta cut that little part off. But I honestly think it looks freaking excellent. All right, now this ghost bun dough. So I'm just putting on the first layer using my popsicle stick, rubbing it in. I mean, if I had edges, but who cares? You can buy you edges now. Girl, you better put that ghost bun up there and slap that front on in instant edges, boo. But yeah, I did 3 layers of ghost bun. Alright, fan. Okay, now I put my wig on. I put my wig on and tied it down. Alright, come through, wig. So now this wig is melted down, and the hair I did not have to curl. I got loose wave, and it come curly like that. I only had to curl the frontal because I bleached the knots, and I put a little color in my frontal, so I had to wash it, and it washed out the curls. But that's the only little part I had to curl is the frontal. All of it, the rest of it came like that. Okay.
We're in the office. We're in a messy office that we cleaned up.
Okay, yes. I love this wig. Scalpage. Freaking gorgeous. Put the color in it. Y'all like that little color?
Something that you always wear.
I didn't even curl this hair down here. I curled the frontal, of course, because I washed it, but this is loose wave. And this is
on here
the curls you get from loose wave. I did not curl this hair. It came like this.
It makes your scalp moisturize.
Yeah, so this is called loose waves.
And I use water in that. I would use Eco Styling Gel, but let me start bumping the phone. Elevators, elevators, bad bitches be like elevators, elevators. And you give me get another hater, cause we're going up like elevators, 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 bad bitches.
Yes, boo, slay. Thank you guys for watching my video. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Subscribe to my channel. Click the bell. Thanks for watching, Blue Dinies. Mwah.